What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be unboxing, setting up, and reviewing the Logitech Pop Mouse. And this thing is tiny. Look at my hand, and look at this little mouse. So small. My goodness. Alright, so to open this, you just got a very cute little packaging they've got here. Here is the mouse. Look at that. It comes in this little cute little container thing. Here's the mouse itself. Look at that. It's so small. Oh my gosh. Alright, so to set this up, you just pull on this. Once you pull on it, it is trying to connect. So under Bluetooth, you can find the mouse right here. Click on it. It is connecting and it's ready to go. Very easy setup. To get access to the battery, you just simply lift this up. It's like a magnet. Very easy, kind of like their other mouses. Here is the battery. You can just pop that out whenever you want. Very easy. Slide that back in. Very nice. I'm gonna lie, this mouse, ooh, the clicks are weird. They're like dead silent. Like you can barely hear it, but you can feel it. It feels nice. There's a programmable key right here, and I think this does come with like emojis with the software. So that's kind of cool. Not a lot of function keys, but again, it's not supposed to. It's supposed to be really minimalistic, very portable. So if you wanted to like travel and stuff, or just have it like a little cute mouse and you're like on a budget, I guess, this is honestly perfect. It's adorable. Like, look at that thing. It's cute. Yeah, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick unboxing and setup and review video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.